This oops. Hey guys, it's Lyra, and in today's video I am going to share with you the first PR box that I ever received. I am so excited. I feel really special right now. So this is the box. It's from Katie Stationery. They're a brand that sells planners, journals, notebooks, stickers, and all of that kind of paper product. It's supposed to contain the Hope 2022 planner, which is their first ever dated planner. The contents of this box is everything you're gonna get if you're going to buy a Hope 2022 planner. So first off is this handmade soap by Fragrant Heart, some art prints, some cut your own stickers. There are two sheets. The first one is a kind of like a feminine aesthetic, and the second one is like a pandemic related sheet. So there's like stay safe, wear mask, wash hands. Another is this gel pen. It's brown. And the last but not the least, of course, is the Hope 2022 pen. Okay, so first off, it's a hardbound planner and it's waterproof. When you open it up, okay, it's the same design on the first page. Then more of the intro pages. And here is the entire calendar of 2022. So it starts off with that. I love the simple design of this whole thing. Okay, so the next one is a yearly planner. I've never used something like this before, but I'm going to try to figure that out. So next is the 1 year overview. Usually when I have this kind of page with my planners, I put like birthdays on it, or like really important dates like holidays and stuff like that. On the other side is a quarterly planner. I've also never used this. This is a very, very detailed planner, so I'm really excited about that because there are things here that may help me better organize my life. Okay, so next up is the reflections of 2021. So there are 5 highlights from last year, 3 most important life lessons learned, 10 words to describe 2021, 5 major influences and inspirations from last year, and 7 things I am grateful for. That's a really nice page to like look back on 2021, even though this isn't a very good year. There is hope. So the next page is life goals of 2022. So there's health and wellness, spiritual, work, career, finances, other goals, mental health, and relationship and social. Okay, so next up is the monthly goals for 2020. This is kind of similar to the 1 year review, but this is like a goals page. It has more space than the previous one. Next is a vision board. Next up is a year-long tracker. So I do not track anything, but this is a really good feature of this planner that might help you to form a habit or like complete a task like exercising every day. There are 4 year-long trackers for habits or tasks. You can form 4 habits with this planner. So we're starting with the month of January, of course. This is a very nice quote. You can't master your entire life in 1 day. Master the day and then keep doing it every day. Nice inspiration for the year-long tracker. So this is the monthly planner. At the top of this page, there's something that says, my top 3 priorities this month. So this part of the planner is where I usually put like deadlines or when someone paid their down payment, when the deadline will be, when an event will be, stuff like that. Next is a monthly overview. So you can put your own headers here. And there's also a habit tracker for the month. this planner really wants you to form that habit. Okay, so there are 8 habit trackers. Okay, so now we're on the weekly part of the planner. This is my favorite part of every planner. This is the biggest space where I can write everything that I want to do for the week. I love that it has a grid design. So like I can write whatever I want, I can draw, there's no restrictions because I feel very restricted by lines. It's either I want it blank or this is also a good style. They have a calendar at the bottom of the page so you can see how far along we are in the month already, and you're not gonna say like, oh my gosh, tomorrow is already next month. And there's also a section where you can write your my focus this week. Okay, so at the very back of the planner, there are these dotted pages, and that is everything that's inside of the Hope 2022 planner. You can buy this planner and get all of those freebies that I mentioned earlier for just 1,299 pesos. But if you buy it before December 1, 2021, you can get it for only 999 pesos. I'm going to put the links in the description box of where you can get your own Hope 2022 planner. There are a bunch of other designs. I think there are 6 different designs for the covers, so you can choose one that suits best for you. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this, and I hope you didn't think I butchered my first PR unboxing and planner tour, so that I could still see you guys next time. Bye!